Hey, what's up everybody? It's Julio Franco. First of all, I would like to go ahead and welcome you to this short video. Alright, and I would like to go ahead and welcome you to my channel, Creating Passive Income. Okay, now as you can see right here, I'm gonna show you a simple method with this simple system where you can create $20 to $1,000 per day as a beginner. Okay, and you can do all this with affiliate marketing. Okay, and the cool thing about it is you don't have to promote you don't have to go out there and search what best product is for what niche. Okay, all of this is automated, guys. Keep in mind, when you find a product or a system that everything is automated, it's in automation, man, the sales just come in by themselves. Okay, like you start making money constantly, even in your sleep. Why I'm telling you this? Because there's proof of people that have jumped onto this system and they started creating passive income from the comfort of their home using the internet and a laptop or a phone. Okay, now this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, little disclaimer, this is not a magical button. Okay, although you will need to put a little bit of a time and work into it. Let me show you. Okay, all you have to do, make sure click on the link below this video and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Okay, I believe it's this one if I'm not mistaken. Yes sir, it's going to bring you to this page. Go ahead and check the video out, and if this is something you would like to do, okay, like I said, this is for beginners. If you're starting in the online world or you've been doing online for a minute. Okay, when I mean online world, I mean it's like there's a lot of people that believe that there's a way that you can make money online, and they go out there and try it and they fail, and then they believe that it was a whole bunch of lie. Okay, now guys, let me tell you, there is a possibility to create passive income. Okay, like I said, from the comfort of your home using your laptop and a wire Wi-Fi connection. So check this out. Like I said, check this video out. Okay, and once you do that, if this is something you think you want to do, all you have to do is just click this button right here. Once you click that button, you're gonna create, put your details, create your account. Okay, and go ahead, after you do that, go ahead and click this button again, and it's gonna bring you to the inside of this. Let me take you back to my dashboard. Okay, it's gonna bring you to this right here. Now, what I love about this system, and the cool thing about it is that it's only a couple of steps and then you have a system set up and ready to go, automated. Okay, and another thing, you get just watch these videos here, and then it'll tell you step by step what to do. And once you do that, it'll also bring you to if you want to go ahead and grab any of your links, you can come up here, pre-made capture page, video sales letter. It's pretty cool, guys. It's pretty amazing. So all you have to do is just grab the links, and on top of that, it'll let you know the stats on them. Okay, see, it'll let you know how many people have checked on it and all that stuff. And it's another one that'll tell you right here, you can create your own tracking links. That's what I like about it right here. Boom, someone just I got a lead through this page. Okay, so it's pretty cool. And on top of that, they have let me see, my business, I believe it is. All right, team, give me a second. Resources, you go to resources, and then you get the email swipes, you get web banners, you get social media images, Facebook post, and on top of that, you get the training. Okay, you get this training right here where it's going to teach you the right way to promote this amazing system. Okay, there's like 3 or 4 different ways that you can create a passive income with this system itself. So you can create commissions from 4 different opportunities in just this system itself, and all you have to do is just promote this system itself. You don't have to promote all 4 different opportunities, just any of your links right here. Okay, any of your links, all you have to do is just grab the link and promote it. Okay, now I do recommend make sure you come to the resources, and once you do that, go to training, click on 7 steps of success with MIF. Okay, go through all the steps, make sure you're doing them in order, and it's going to teach you a little bit about traffic, follow up, YouTube, Facebook, and all that kind of stuff. And once you get done with that, make sure you exit and then come back again to the training and check out the marketing system success training. And it'll kind of show you everything that you need to learn and implement so you can have success with this system. Okay, it's pretty cool, guys. It's a no-brainer. So like I said, if you like what you see, go ahead and go to the description below, or there should be a button somewhere in there. Make sure you click on it and get signed up. Okay, let's get started, and I'll see you inside. I can't wait for you to become part of my team. Thank you, guys. Have a wonderful day. God bless.